Is this the end of AliExpress dropshipping in 2019? Let's find out. Alright guys, in this video we're going to talk about a tool called Wiio, W-I-I-O, which wants to replace AliExpress dropshipping completely. It wants to become the all-in-one solution for us dropshippers to search for products, source products, and then ship products to our customers so we can essentially not have to use AliExpress suppliers or dropshipping agents anymore. We're going to go into the tool and see if it's actually legit, see if it's something that we can actually use for our advantage and grow our businesses faster. Especially if you're a beginner, you might deal with a lot of delays in your shipping and a lot of quality issues just because suppliers don't take you seriously if you're small. Let's go into the tool. As you guys know, I never recommend any tools without reviewing them first, so let's go to my computer and find out. Alright, so you can see here Wiio, the all-in-one dropshipping platform that helps you source and ship anything from China. A pretty bold claim right here, but let's see in the actual description. So introducing Wiio, we take care of virtually everything for you. So I actually talked to one of the workers at Wiio and we talked a little bit about how the platform works. I went through the whole website, I created my own account, and I want to make sure that you guys, you get the best out of this. So they essentially source the products for you. You can tell them, hey, I want this product from this supplier, from this page on AliExpress. They source it. They buy it from your supplier and then they stock it in their factory in China. They have more than 200, 300 people in that factory. So they stock it there. They quality check it for you, which I thought was amazing, that they actually check if the product is in good quality and good standing before they even ship it to your customer, which sometimes we have a lot of problems, especially with a dropshipping agent, that they have to ship like 300 all the way to 500 orders at a time, and a lot of them end up being defective or broken, and we have to take the loss, right? We have to take the refund. So they essentially ship those products. You can tour their company here on their website, and they also, the other cool thing is that they do custom product photos, custom product videos, and then custom private labeling, like custom packaging inserts. I thought this was really cool because that removes all these fulfillment services that we use for private labeling, as well as video services, having to hire a video editor or having to hire a photographer to do the photos. They actually do it for you since they have the products in stock in their factory in China. The other cool things that you can do with the platform is, one, you can research winning products that might not be trending in the United States or all over the world. They're only trending in China, or they're about to trend based on past patterns that they have. They've been doing this for a lot of years, and they've done like millions of dollars in products from suppliers all over the world, so they know what products are more likely to trend, and they have their own spy tool built in, so you can essentially find the products straight that they have sourced and packaged, sourced and stocked in their factory. If you're doing small numbers, they essentially take care of you. Their customer support is amazing. I did an account. I'm going to show you later my account, but I did an account with them. Their customer support is absolutely amazing. And the other cool thing is that you don't have to deal with multiple suppliers. They have really fast shipping times. You can ship anywhere between like 7 to 12 days to the United States, Canada, and all over the world, like Europe and other e-packet countries, and they only ship e-packets. So you can essentially target all e-packet countries on your Facebook ads and use this tool to ship it to your customers. Now, before I keep talking about this tool, I'm actually going to show you the back end of it. This is how, when you make an account, this is how it actually looks on here, and you have the Wiio product section. So this is your dashboard, the sales that you're making every day. We only connected one of our stores to it, not all of them, because we want to test it first with one store. I'm also going to make a video later on actually reviewing, once we do like 10,000, 20,000 in volume on this tool. I want to review it more later on. I just want to be, the first one that gives this tool away. But here you can check the Wiio products, and this is essentially their own built-in product spy tool. And this is not like any spy tool that just pulls random high volume orders from AliExpress. This is their own built-in based on the patterns that they see in their factory and with their sourcing agents. So you can essentially view all the products right here on the left, or discounted products, or their best-selling products right here that are likely to trend or likely to sell later on. And you can do by categories as well. So you can click more categories and go through all these products. In the AliExpress product section, if you have a particular product from AliExpress that you want to source, let's say it's this one right here, for example, you take that product and you crawl it on their AliExpress crawler, and now that is essentially used to take the product and add it to your Wiio, and then essentially when you get an order for that product, they will order it from the supplier, stock it, check the quality, and then ship it to your customer in really fast shipping time. So that's why I like this tool a lot. It's like a really in-depth solution. It's pretty cool. Now you can go here to your orders section. So when you click on orders, as soon as you start processing some orders, you can see here, for example, we have this one, paid unfulfilled, and then we can choose the logistics. In this case, it's going to be e-packet, and then we process it. They check the quality of the product, they order from the supplier, and then they send it off to our customer. Then here you can connect your store. So let's say I have my store here and I want to connect it. So you click connect to Shopify to connect your store. So we connect it here and add it here, and then connect the store. And then in the store, it's going to essentially tell you, hey, do you want to download this unlisted item from the Shopify App Store? And yes, you want to download it, you download it, and it connects to your shop immediately. So as you can see here, we connect it to your shops, and then the support ticket section, in which you can open a support ticket if a product is damaged, if a product, if you can't find the tracking number, the customer is, asking you for something, you can essentially ask them, open a new ticket, and then ask them for that specific thing, and they'll answer within the hour or 2 hours, which I thought was pretty cool. Sometimes with our agents, we have to wait hours long or even days for them to reply. This kind of cuts down on that process and makes it more efficient. And guys, before we go on, make sure to comment secrets down in the comments below. I'll be offering one-on-one calls with one of you guys that comments secrets down below and subscribes and hits that notification bell. I will be checking in this call. I will be checking your ads manager, your whole store, and analyzing everything and helping you, giving you my best feedback. I won't be pitching my program, no mentoring. It's all me helping you one-on-one. Comment secrets, I'll pick someone from this video. So now that I showed you on the back end how it actually works and how everything looks on the back end, and some proof that I actually used the tool, they're not paying me for this. They didn't pay me a cent to make this video. We're going to go to the website again and some other things, the all-in-one platform here. They have an underground team, which essentially means they have an in-house team of like 200, 300 people doing all the fulfillment, making sure that the customers get the products fine, making sure that they're sourcing the products properly and checking the quality of those products, and obviously the content marketing as well. They have faster shipping times than most AliExpress suppliers. I know that a lot of beginners are scared of this, and a lot of people don't start dropshipping because they think, hey, my products are going to be there in like 3 to 4 weeks. I don't even want to start. This is a way to kind of cut down on that and get the products in a week to 2 weeks, all the way from China to your customers in the US, Australia, Canada, wherever you are, Europe. So this essentially like helps a lot of beginner dropshippers start better than they could with just AliExpress. And then the prices are also much lower since they're sourcing the products directly, or they even have the products in-house. And then the cool thing as well is that they replace broken and missing items. This is awesome because our agents, they typically do replace, but for beginners, if you have an AliExpress supplier that you've gotten them like 5 or 7 orders, they don't really care for you because you've just gotten them a low amount of orders. And if you want something replaced or you want something reshipped, they don't really care. They're just going to block you and not answer your questions. Other cool things, you can bundle different products into a single package as well because they have their in-house factory, strict quality check processes, which I thought was pretty cool, dedicated warehouses, so you don't have to use a fulfillment center or a warehouse center. You can just do it straight from China in their warehouse and then send it to your customers very quickly. I thought that was pretty cool. And then the custom branding and custom video production, photo production, and then inserts for your products as well. I thought this was pretty cool. I thought it's a tool that essentially anybody from a beginner all the way to an advanced 8-figure dropshipper can use to improve their shipping times, improve their quality of the products, and then remove all the hassle of like trying to return and refund all of those orders that are low quality. They take the hit for that. If there's a product that is damaged or destroyed during shipping and the customer wants a refund from you, they make sure to replace that item for you. So that's the other pretty cool thing. You can also check through the website who we are. The website is down in the description below. You can check who they are. I don't have an affiliate link for this. All it is just going to the website and checking it out. And if you want to sign up for it, you can sign up, and this is how it's going to look. When you have your dashboard here, you have your products, orders, stores, and then the account management. You have your dedicated account manager, which is also cool for any troubles or any problems that you might have. So that is it, guys. Wiio, the all-in-one dropshipping solution. If you want to get it, the link is down in the description. Let me know what you thought of Wiio, and let me know if you are going to use it. I absolutely love it. I will make a video updating later on how we use the platform and doing volume of the platform, if it's efficient and long-term sustainable. And if you want to learn how you can go from 0 to 10,000 per month dropshipping, you can check the video here in this little square right here. So click that video on how you can make 10,000 or more every single month with Shopify dropshipping by using my strategies that take you from complete beginner all the way to 10,000 or more 6-figure dropshipper. You can check that video down here. It's completely for free. I will see you guys in the next one. Subscribe and hit that notification bell as always.